Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nel Lutfia. I'm 21 years old. I'm student majoring English education, and I'm from University Muhammadiyah of Mataram. So I wanna share about my essay PowerPoint, and the title is Empowering Women Through Beauty Skill in a Patriarchal Society. Okay, let's go to the next slide for the situation. For the situation, I grew up in the patriarchal environment where women were valued from obedience, modesty, and domestic ability. Ambition, ambition and independence were often seen as a defiance. However, through my experience in my beauty industry and my work in nail art, I witnessed how aesthetic skill could become a pathway to women to achieve financial independence and self-empowerment. In line with Nussbaum capability approach in 2000, here's beauty training is not merely an economic activity, but a means of building freedom, choice, and dignity within a restrictive social structure. This idea inspired by my concern for several women in my neighborhood who become a widow, either through divorce and lost their husband. Many of them had a long dependent entire on their husband income, as the deeply routine patriarchal culture in my community often discourages or even forbid women from working. When such situation like occur, these women often at a major age are forced to struggle to support their children and sustain their household and their own. Another factor is the local economic structure, where most men in my neighborhood work as a welder and own small welding project like welding workshop. And during period without project, family experience significant financial hardship, like since nearly 80% of wives in my neighborhood are unemployed and rely on their husband earning. This social and economic reality is the primary reason I choose the focus my research on woman empowerment, through beauty and skill. Okay, for the next slide, there are the tasks. The main goal of this program was to create a safe and supportive learning space for a woman to acquire a beauty skill while rebuilding their confidence. The training went beyond technical instruction in nail art to include personal development, client management, and digital entrepreneurship. By integrating creative and business element, the program aimed to nurture women who are economically independent, socially aware, and capable of redefining beauty as a form of power and identity. This goal was inspired by my experience as a nail artist who frequently interactive with a woman from diverse background. I have seen that beauty can serve as a medium for healing, confident, and independent. There, there Therefore, I motivate to teach not only to help them master technique skill, but also to get them in using social media to grow their business, expand their network, and express their activity independently. Okay. For the next slide, for the action, like I design a curriculum-based party learning theory from Freire 17 and 19 and 70. emphasizing dialogue, reflection, and collaboration. Each session began with discussion of the participant, personal experience, to building empathy and trust, followed by technique lesson and hygiene, a color theory and design creativity. Because I was in nail art almost 2 years, so like the design always like have a new design. So if you in the beauty sector, like beauty skill, you must upgrade your skill. So participants were also trained in basic entrepreneurship, including the pricing and digital marketing strategy. The entire process was conducted voluntarily to encourage solidarity and collective growth among women. This approach was shaped by my own teaching experience, where I learned that women flourish when learning feels like open conversation rather than a formal lecture. When trust and collaboration take a role, they begin to open up, exchange a story, and learn from each other. Throughout the training, I witnessed how this sense of connection foster confidence, creativity, and gain pride in their growth. Okay, for the next slide, I have the result. 50% of participants successful mastered basic nail art skill because I focus for the basic skill because I think if you wanna start beauty skill, especially in nail art, you must master in the basic skill because it's the main point if you start a new salon, especially. And several stabilities, small business that provide them with stable income by an economic outcome and greatest achievement was achieved in a mindset. Participants began to see themselves as a capable and independent individual. The program also uh, reshape the woman in the industry, the beauty industry, demonstrate that woman practice can you practice be for rather than superfluous superfluency. Around half of the participants develop a strong nail art skill, but I'm just focused like in the press on skill. It's like a different, but because press on is more easier and you don't have to spend a lot of money if you wanna learn press on. It's uh it's a good skill for the beginner, and a few even started like a small business and now support their family. But the real transformation went deeper. They began to see themselves as a confident, capable, and independent woman. Watching a simple skill turn into research of pride and environment was gonna moving. Okay. Okay, the last one is the conclusion. This initiate highlight the transfer potential of skill-based education and promoting gender equality within patriarchal society. Though through a participatory and inclusive beauty training, women get not only knowledge but also confidence and freedom to redefine their identities. Beauty is not longer understood and a compliance with social expectation, but as a statement of a self-determination and strength that enables women to transform their own life. And I have quotes. I have a quotes for today. Beauty is no longer a mirror for approval, but a canvas of a freedom where a woman paints her strength, her voice, and her quiet rebellion of becoming her truest self. I think I'm so happy being part of this event because I can share my activity and maybe I can more share about a woman. You can do it everything. You can try everything as you wanna try it. Think I just wanna say thank you. And I think it's my finish. Okay. Thank you for today and have a nice day. Bye bye.